WB7400 just about to come off the jig. About 90% welded at the moment. That's typical weld there. Floor's down, flotation foam's in. Just the side pockets to go on now. What else we got? That's about it, really. There's not too much left to do. All lifting lugs are in. So now they've done all the full welding, they'll take these strong backs off. So they're just to stop the buckling. Vertical welding. Another lifting lug. Yeah. All good. So they'll take this off the jig, put it onto the production trolley, and then there's got a 5900 going straight on here. And then after that, a 74, another 74. That's about it. WB7400.